How to download TikTok video without watermark. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download TikTok videos without watermark. Now, if you open TikTok app and if you download a video, I'll just head into my profile here quickly and head into a video here. If you tap on three dots, you'll get an option to save video. Simply tap on save video and you'll be able to download this. However, if you save your video in this way, you'll notice that the watermark will come up on your video. Now, if I head into the gallery once this video is saved, now, if I head into video on my gallery, you can see there is a watermark on the video. Now, how do you avoid getting this watermark? Now, to avoid getting this watermark, what you want to do is simply head into any video you want. I'll just head into a short video, not the longer one. And then simply tap on three dots option. And then what you want to do is you'll get a varieties of option here. Simply scroll and copy the link. Now what you want to do is copy the link of the video. Once you copy it, head into your browser. And in browser, if you are on Android, you can head into a particular browser. If you are on iOS, you can head into your particular browser. And then what you want to do is search for snaptik.com and tap on go, and you'll get this link right here. You can see this page opening up, TikTok video download without watermark. Simply paste your link here and tap on download. And once you do this, you can see you'll be able to download the video here. And if you download it from here, now you can see the file has been downloaded, and if I open it, you can see there is no watermark on the video. So this way you can download TikTok video without watermark. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.